Ever heard of chronic burping? In this 2-minute practice, I let out 30 burps. It started after PTSD. Doctors said it wasn't digestive, but psychosomatic. It got so out of control I couldn't hide it, and I couldn't control it myself. I learned breath work, then somatic practices like this. Now I choose when to release. These practices get the tension out, and when burps come back, it's my body signaling it's time for self-care. They don't control me anymore, and I don't fear them. They've become my radar for tension. If your body's holding tension too, you're not broken.